Good morning to everybody. So yesterday we discussed exercise 6.3 during live class. Today the same concept I am going to teach for you. Exercise 6.3 question number 1. Find the value of unknown x in the following figure. The first part is the vertex angle is x and then base angles are 50 degree and 60 degree. Base angles are what? 50 degree and 60 degree. Right. Now we know that what is the sum of all angles in a triangle? 180 degree. X plus 50 plus 60 which is equal to 180 degree. Am I right dear? Yes. What is the reason? Angle sum property of a triangle. ASP means angle sum property of a triangle. So x plus 50 plus 60 is 110 which is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree which is equal to 70 degree. Which is equal to 70 degree. Right? They asked us to find the value of unknown x in the following figure. Yes. Come to the second part now. In the second part, in triangle PQR, right angle at P. Right angle means what? An angle which measure exactly 90, it is called as what? Right angle. Then angle Q is 30. It is an unknown angle x. So we know that sum of all interior angle of triangle is what? 180 degree. Here we are trying to find the value of unknown x. So angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all interior angles in a triangle is what? 180 degree. Angle P is how much given for you? 90. Angle Q is 30. Angle R is x is equal to 180 degree. Now 90 plus 30 is how much dear? 120 degree plus x which is equal to 180 degree. Then x is equal to 180. Transpose this 120 from left hand side to right hand side. Addition will become subtract. So plus 120 becomes minus 120. Then x is equal to 180 minus 120 is how much? 60 degree. Are you getting dear? It's very simple. You know that the sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degree, and then exterior angle sum property is in a triangle if any side is produced, then exterior angle so formed is equal to sum of opposite angles to the interior. Okay, only these two concepts. That's all. Now it's an obtuse angle triangle given for you. It is x, it is y, it is z. Angle x is 30 degree, y is 110 degree, then it is interior angle of z is what? X. Right? Now we have to find the value of unknown x in the given figure. So we know that sum of all angles in a triangle is what? 180 degree. Therefore 30 plus 110 plus x is equal to 180 degree, since it is the angle sum property of a triangle. Are you getting here? Yes. 30 plus 110 is 140 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Right? So keep the unknown variable on the left hand side. So it is x is equal to 180 plus 140 becomes minus 140. It is the third part. So 180 minus 140 is what? 40 degree. Therefore, the value of x is 40 degree. The value of x is what? 40 degree. Shall we move to the next part? Yes. Subdivision 4. In a triangle, the vertex angle is 50 degree, it is given. Vertex angle is 50 degree. The base angles are equal. Each angle is what? X degree. Each angle is what? X degree. By using angle sum property of a triangle, you can write like 50 plus x is equal to 180 degree by using angle sum property of a triangle. Since we know that sum of all angles in a triangle is what? 180 degree. Now 50 plus x is how much? 2x is equal to 180 degree. Then 2x is equal to 180 plus 50 becomes minus 50. Then 2x, that is equal to how much dear? 180 minus 50, 130 degree. Right? After that what? multiply will becomes divide. So x is equal to 130 by 2, which is equal to 65 degree. X is equal to how much? 65 degree. Therefore, each angle is what? 65 degree. 65 plus 65 is 130. 130 plus 50 is what? 180 degree. Right? You can verify your answer also. Just to substitute the value of x in the given figure. If your answer comes, the sum of all angle is 180, your answer is right. Then, fifth part. What is the fifth part for you? Given diagram, one triangle is given. In the triangle, all angles are equal. All angles are what? Equal. So we know that in a triangle, if all the sides are equal, then it is called as what? Equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, each angle is what? 60 degree. All the angles are equal and each angle is what? 60 degree. Here all angles are equal, therefore the answer will be what? 60 degree each. Right? Now we will find by using angle sum property of a triangle. We know that x plus x is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. ASP. Now x plus x is 2x. X plus x is what? 2x. 2x plus x is what? 3x. 3x that is equal to 180 degree. Now multiply will become, when we are transposing from one side to another side, multiply will become divide. So x is equal to 180 divided by 3, which is equal to 1 3 is 3, 6 3s are 18. So 60 degree. We know that each angle of an equilateral triangle is what? 60 degree. Are you getting here? Yes. Shall we move to the sixth part now? That sixth part is in a right triangle. In a right triangle, one angle is 90 degree. Right? Right angle triangle means what? One angle is 90 degree and then other two angles are given, x and 2x for you. X and 2x. X and 2x. Now, we know that 90 plus x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Sum of all interior angles in a triangle is what? 180 degree. Sum of all interior angles in a triangle is what? 180 degree. So 90 plus x plus 2x is what? 3x, which is equal to 180 degree. Then 3x is equal to 180 minus 90. 180 minus 90 is 90. 3x is equal to 90. Then x is equal to 90 by 3, which is equal to, multiply becomes divide. So 1 3 is 3, 30. X is equal to 30. X is equal to 30. So this angle is 30 degree and this angle is how much? 2 into 30, 60 degree. So 90 plus 30, 120. 120 plus 60 is 180 degree. So it satisfies the angle sum property of a triangle. Are you getting here? So we completed question number 1 from the exercise 6.3. In the next video we will discuss about the question number 2. Thank you everybody.